Use the law of cosines to find the third side of the triangle. So I'm going ahead and I'm looking for this side A. Now there are formulas for the law of cosines, but they can be rather confusing with the labels. Best way to remember it is to think of it as a Pythagorean theorem extension, where the hypotenuse doesn't necessarily have to be the longest side, but it's going to be the side across the angle that you're working with. Law of cosines, you are either looking for an angle or you're looking for the side opposite this angle. In this case, I'm looking for this. I'm going to go ahead and treat this sort of like the hypotenuse. And again, I'm going to put this in quotations because it doesn't necessarily mean the same hypotenuse that we necessarily know for right triangles. But I know Pythagorean theorem tells me that it's going to be the hypotenuse squared, which is, in this case, a squared, should be equal to the legs, the sum of the legs squared. So 3 squared plus 5 squared. Now the extend portion of the law of cosine is going to be this minus 2 times the sides between or adjacent to the angle that you are working with, 3 and 5. You're going to multiply them, and then cosine of the angle in between those two sides, which is 3 and 5. Now in this case, you solve for your unknown. You're solving for A. Go ahead and enter all of this into your calculator. You should get that A squared is equal to, A squared is equal to approximately 25.73. A is approximately equal to the square root of that. We get 5.07. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and go with the closest answer,